In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in ChatGPT. By the end, you will be fully signed in and ready to use it. First, open a browser on your Android phone, iPhone, or computer. Any modern browser works well here. In the address bar, type chatgpt.com, then go to that website. When the page loads, you should see the ChatGPT logo and a simple landing page, often with a short description of the tool near the center. Now, look for the Sign Up option on this page. It is usually at the top right corner of the screen. Click or tap Sign Up once. After a moment, a Sign Up window or page appears, showing different options for creating your new account. From here, choose how you want to create your account. On the screen, you will see 3 buttons arranged in a list. They are Continue with Google, Continue with Apple, and Continue with Email. Each button sets up the same ChatGPT account, only the login method changes. Many people pick the service they already use most, so they do not need to remember another password. If you decide to use email, tap or click Continue with Email. The page will change to show 2 fields. In the first field, type your email address, making sure there are no spaces or spelling mistakes. In the second field, create a password that you can remember but others cannot guess easily. After filling both fields, choose the button on the screen to move forward, and the page will briefly load. Next, follow the verification instructions sent to your email if you are asked. Open a new tab or your email app and look for a message from OpenAI. Open that email and follow the link or button inside it. This step confirms that you actually own that email address. Once you click the link, a new browser page opens, showing that your email has been verified. After that, go back to the ChatGPT sign-up flow and enter any requested account information. You might be asked for basic details such as your name or similar profile information. Type the requested details into the fields you see on the screen, then continue. When everything is accepted, the page moves on without an error message. Once registration is complete, you will be signed in to ChatGPT automatically. You will see the main ChatGPT interface with a text box at the bottom where you can type messages and a sidebar where future chats will appear. From now on, you can log in with the method you chose and your conversations will stay in your history. With your new ChatGPT account created and ready, you can now save chats and use more features whenever you sign in. If this helped you get your ChatGPT account set up, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple guides like this.